I love being out at Little Prince of Oregon. You know, they have such a wide range of plants. Well, I'm in a greenhouse, so it's nice and warm, and I'm talking with Joan today. And so, Joan, you know, the house plants have just exploded, and even more so this last year. And you guys are really kind of playing with that and kind of tuning us all into some new cool plants.
We are so obsessed with plants here at Little Prince. We're all just plant nerds, and we are always on the lookout for really fun new things, different things. And we have found so many cool plants. We've actually come out with a new line. It's called Beau Chateau.
Ooh.
Chateau meaning like in French castle, and our frog wears a crown, and beau meaning beautiful.
Aww.
So and it rhymes.
Yeah, that's great. And it's so fun to see that because we're all looking for something new and different. And wow, these are just like, I want them all. So tell us about what you're kind of expanding to.
Yeah, so everyone just wants their home to feel like an oasis, I think, and these just really make that happen, right?
So I would think that just like outdoor plants, indoor plants need their own space, the right space.
They do. They need different conditions. Some want more light, some want more or less water. So you can find that information on our tags. It's really easy to see. And on our website also, you can search by light conditions. Maybe you have a really sunny window in your kitchen or bathroom, or humidity levels. You know, ferns might want higher humidity. Great for your bathroom, not so great for your living room possibly.
Exactly.
So yeah.
And so it's just like gardening. I mean, it transfers indoors because it's challenging. You're learning something. I don't see the difference between indoor and outdoor, but I've had a lot of houseplants.
Right. Almost everyone has a home, right? So you can have your own garden inside, even if you don't have a garden outside. And look how many different colors and textures. You know, this alocasia, we have this huge leaf and then this tiny leaf, you know,
right.
So whatever your home and that place you want to put it, you might want to think about how big that plant's going to get.
Right.
So, but yeah, it's a really fun hobby, I think.
I think it's become that. It's become a new collection. I mean, people collect stamps or coins or cars, but I mean, this is something that's living that you could take care of and kind of just morph with.
It's so fun. And what's really hot right now are variegated house plants. You know, we have this variegated pilea, this variegated string of pearls. We actually found a variegated Rhaphidophora in one of our crops that we've sent to be tissue cultured, and we're hoping for some success with that. So we're really excited about some new plants.
Well, I think too with breeders and growers, everybody is stretching it just like they did with outside plants. I mean, that explosion in gardening happened, and so it just makes sense it's happening for indoors too.
Right.
And so with this new line, where can we find it?
You can find it at your local garden center. Please always go to your local garden center and support them. If you can't get there, we would love your business on littleprinceplants.com.
And they have a great Facebook page, and you can subscribe to the newsletter.
Yes, and our Instagram is Little Prince to Go, and our Facebook is Little Prince of Oregon.
Well, I think you can feed all of our new hobby, all of our new addiction and our collecting. And so you can go to gardentime.tv and click over to all the places that you could find Little Prince of Oregon plants. Joan, thanks so much. This is exciting.
Thanks, Judy.